Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a reliable VPN provider that explicitly supports streaming. This matters because Netflix blocks many IPs. Once you sign up and install the app, log in and authorize any permissions. Make sure to select a plan that fits your needs and note the server list for the country you want. While you do this, enable any kill switch and automatic updates. These initial choices reduce future blocks, so act now and move to selecting the best server for Netflix. Next, you connect to a server in the country where the Netflix catalog you want is available. Choose a geographically close server to reduce buffering. Then, enable streaming optimized or obfuscation features if the VPN offers them, and turn on the kill switch to protect your IP if the connection drops. After connecting, clear your Netflix app cache or open a private browser window. This forces Netflix to reevaluate your location. Once done, load Netflix and test playback on a single show. Finally, you verify success by playing a short show to confirm the catalog and video quality. Make sure playback starts within a few seconds. If Netflix detects the VPN, switch to a different server in the same country, try another VPN protocol, or use the provider's streaming server list. Make sure IPv6 is disabled and DNS leaks are prevented, because leaks reveal your real location. If problems persist, contact VPN support. Most providers will suggest the exact server that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.